Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to recover deleted files on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are various ways you can use to recover your files, and it depends on the type of files you want to recover. So first, let's go ahead and open the Files app. So just search for Files, open it. Once you open Files, locate and click on Recently Deleted. Once you click on that, you should see all your recently deleted files here. Now, to recover or restore the deleted files, click on the three dots at top right. Now, click on Select, and then check all the files you want to restore, and then click on Recover at the bottom left, and that is it. Then you should see the files restore back to your storage. And again, another way you can use to restore file on your iPhone is if you want to restore deleted photo on your iPhone. To do this, open the Photos app, scroll down, locate Utilities, and then expand it. Locate Recently Deleted, click on that, click on View Album, and then confirm your Face ID. Then you should see all your recently deleted files on your phone like this. To recover all of this, click on Select at top right, click on the three dots at the bottom right, then click on Recover All. Now go ahead and click on Recover X number of items. That is yet another way. Now, if you want to recover your Notes app that you've deleted, open the Notes app, go back to the Notes app page. On the home page, it should say Recently Deleted here. If you have deleted recently some files, so let's say we choose to delete this and then this. Now, come to where you see iCloud, then locate and click on Recently Deleted. Then click on Edit at the top right. Then you should see Move All. Then select where you want to move all files to recover them. And lastly, if you want to recover your deleted files on Messages, go ahead and open your iMessage. On the iMessage, click on Edit at top left. Then select Show Recently Deleted. And there you go. You have access to all your recently deleted on your iMessage. Then you can just go ahead and click on Recover All at the bottom right, and then click on Recover X number of messages, and that is it. So that is basically few things you need to do to recover deleted files on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.